Might be epic.
Oh shit.
Don't worry, you're
Not dropping my fucking phone.
No, I'm not dropping mine.
Here we go. That's getting big again. Yeah, that's pretty fucking huge. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Wow, you
I took one that was like 2 times the size of that one. Just want everyone in the world to know this. Out, little baby wave. It's kind of dying down though.
Yeah,
Dun,
dun,
dun, dun, dun.
I'm gonna make another one. Record it. You can see the big waves again. I walked over here, saw a huge wave, and then it just stopped.
I got a few pictures of some waves.